Hello, and welcome back to the AI Tech Tooling channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top AI tools you can use to learn Spark, the powerful open-source data processing engine that has become increasingly popular for big data processing and analytics. With the rise of data-driven decision-making in various industries, learning Spark can be a valuable skill to add to your toolkit. So let's dive right in and discover the best AI tools that can help you master Spark. Before we dive into the top AI tools, let's briefly discuss what Spark is and why it's essential. Apache Spark is an open-source, distributed computing system designed for fast and flexible data processing. It can handle large-scale data workloads and offers support for a wide range of programming languages, including Python, Scala, Java, and R. Spark has become an industry standard for big data processing due to its speed, ease of use, and versatility. Now let's explore the top AI tools that can help you learn Spark effectively. Databricks, IBM Watson Studio, Google Cloud Dataproc, Azure Databricks, 2.0 AI Sparkling Water. Section 1. Databricks. Kicking off our list at number 1 is Databricks, a unified analytics platform founded by the original creators of Apache Spark. Databricks offers a cloud-based environment where you can write, test, and deploy Spark applications using Python, Scala, Java, or R. This platform provides an interactive workspace, making it easy for users to collaborate, share insights, and build machine learning models. Databricks offers a range of resources to help you learn Spark, including guided tutorials, sample notebooks, and extensive documentation. With Databricks, you can practice working with Spark in a real-world environment, which is crucial for gaining practical experience and understanding how Spark operates in different scenarios. To get started with Databricks, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. Databricks also offers a community edition, which provides free access to a limited set of features, perfect for those starting their Spark learning journey. Section 2. IBM Watson Studio. At number 2, we have IBM Watson Studio, a powerful cloud-based platform for data science and machine learning. Watson Studio offers a range of tools and resources for working with Spark, including Jupyter Notebooks, Apache Spark clusters, and integration with popular big data tools like Hadoop and Hive. IBM Watson Studio provides a range of resources to help you learn Spark, including sample notebooks, guided tutorials, and comprehensive documentation. The platform also offers a collaborative environment, allowing you to work with other data professionals and share insights and best practices. To get started with IBM Watson Studio, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. IBM also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced Spark learners. Section 3. Google Cloud Dataproc. Coming in at number 3 is Google Cloud Dataproc, a fully managed cloud service for running Apache Spark and Hadoop clusters. Dataproc provides a simple and cost-effective way to run Spark applications, with the ability to scale clusters up or down as needed. Google Cloud Dataproc offers a range of resources for learning Spark, including sample code, tutorials, and documentation. The platform also integrates with other Google Cloud services, such as BigQuery and cloud storage, allowing you to build end-to-end data processing pipelines. To get started with Google Cloud Dataproc, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. Google also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced Spark learners. Section 4. Azure Databricks. At number 4, we have Azure Databricks, a fully managed Apache Spark service provided by Microsoft Azure. Azure Databricks offers an interactive workspace for developing, testing, and deploying Spark applications using Python, Scala, Java, or R. Azure Databricks provides a range of resources to help you learn Spark, including sample notebooks, guided tutorials, and comprehensive documentation. The platform also offers a collaborative environment, allowing you to work with other data professionals and share insights and best practices. To get started with Azure Databricks, you can sign up for a free trial and explore the platform's features and resources. Microsoft Azure also offers a range of paid plans, providing additional features and resources for more advanced Spark learners. Section 5. H2O AI Sparkling Water. Last but not least, we have H2O AI Sparkling Water, an open-source integration of H2O AI machine learning platform with Apache Spark. Sparkling Water allows you to build machine learning models using H2O algorithms and seamlessly integrate them with your Spark applications. H2O AI offers a range of resources for learning Spark and Sparkling Water, including sample code, tutorials, webinars, and extensive documentation. The platform also provides a user-friendly interface for working with Spark and H2O, making it easy to build and deploy machine learning models in a big data environment. To get started with H2O AI Sparkling Water, you can download the software and follow the installation instructions provided in the documentation. H2O AI also offers a range of paid plans and support options for more advanced Spark learners and enterprise users. And there you have it, the top AI tools to help you learn and master Apache Spark. By leveraging these tools and resources, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Spark expert and unlocking the potential of big data processing and analytics. Remember, the key to success in learning any new technology is to stay curious, adaptable, and committed to continuous learning. Keep exploring new resources, experimenting with different tools, and collaborating with other professionals in the field. With dedication and persistence, you'll be able to harness the power of Spark and make a significant impact in your career and the world of big data. Thank you for joining us today on the AI Tech Tooling channel. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on AI, technology, and tooling. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy learning.